Vert Island, which is located within the Morbihan Gulf in the remote Kerguelen Islands, is a very intriguing place. Here, it seems the time has stopped and offers us the joy to observe peacefully one of the few left untouched wild environments in the world. Farmers and seal hunters have tried to settle in this land in the past, but they abandoned ultimately. Especially because the weather is renowned to be quite inhospitable. Here the fauna and flora are exceptionally rich, and we realize that as soon as we land on the island, as we stumble upon strange and amazing creatures. The owners of this kingdom are the birds. One in particular seems to reign without mercy on its territory and justifies my presence here, because I came to study its intelligence, or what we also call cognition in the jargon. This bird is the subantarctic skua. It is a highly competitive and opportunistic predator. He scavenges on various prey, but also steals food from other species, even the milk of seals. On that island, he hunts seabirds that nest in burrows. It is thus usual to find regurgitating pellets on each territory that consist of indigestible prey remains. All these flexible foraging strategies have allowed the skuas to cope with a harsh and unpredictable environment. Similarly to terrestrial birds of prey, in skuas the female is larger than the male. Behaviorally speaking, she is even bolder. The austral summer is the best period to observe skuas because it's the breeding season. Clutch is usually 2 eggs, and the chick is soon able to roam freely within its parents' territory. Although skuas used to live in human-free habitats until recently, they are able to recognize individual humans. I realized that quite rapidly when they learned to know me and to expect from me treats that I used during experiments. From the first day, I was not even worried to look for them, because when skuas want something, oh la la, they find you. And I'm not the only one they seem to annoy. The fact that skuas are very greedy and show almost no fear of humans represent very useful traits to study their intelligence in the wild. For instance, to test experimentally whether the skua is flexible, he first needs to learn to constantly select one option. Here, the green container. Then, I reverse the rule such that the rewarded option is no more the green container, but the red one. I can also do that by using left or right sides, and more time he takes to learn the new rule, less he is behaviorally flexible. Skuas perform very well in this task and are also able to solve quickly novel problems. These results make the skua a novel and promising model for studying cognition in the wild and provide an immense opportunity for future research. But on short duration, of course, otherwise you are a bit persecuted. The study of skuas proves another time that animals are not stupid. Luckily, I will come back and enjoy once again this mysterious island and its beautiful and attaching residents.